on the move.
Yay!
Yay. Been a bit lazy in the last few weeks. We've just sort of chilled out, haven't we, really, and done
We've
a few
had stuff,
jobs.
stuff to catch up on, haven't we?
Yeah.
And the weather hasn't been great.
No, but it's a nice sunny autumn day today. I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear because we went to friends last night. Hi, Katie and Tim. Got a bit of a hangover.
I haven't. I'm fine.
And
bouncy.
It's bouncy. And we're off to hopefully Hampton Court today, and we haven't been down this stretch of the Thames for probably the best part of the year now.
But early in the year.
Was it earlier in the year?
Yeah, January, February, we'd have been all down here.
Oh yeah, I've got the timeline wrong. Yeah. So a good 6 months or more. Though.
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah.
Quite a long time. So it's actually quite exciting.
I know. There's all boats have moved.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. Some of the abandoned boats have gone.
Yeah. So we're hoping to catch a little display, which we'll share with you later. So fingers crossed we catch it. First of all, we'll just enjoy the trip.
It's a good day today.
Yeah.
Nice day.
So we went through Sunbury Lock, and we're now just coming sort of parallel to Hampton Road, aren't we? And St Mary's Church, which looks very pretty from the river.
It does actually, doesn't it? Flag flying.
Yeah, there's nice mooring along here as well, and a big Tesco's. So if you're ever up this way, it's a good mooring spot. But we're carrying on. Kingston, and today it should be really interesting because all of the emergency services are coming together to do a display and a practice of a full river rescue. So it's basically a mock-up of an emergency situation to see how all of those services will come together and respond. So we're going to go and have a watch. We overheard a police officer on their radio who described the scenario. A large party boat had come to a standstill as the captain had lost 11 guests. The guests were drunk and abusive. A smaller boat then crashed into the large party boat, injuring 3 people severely. Then the little boat caught fire. So there's like 2 bleeding on the front there.
Apparently, yeah, she's bleeding to death on the front, and they've got checking them out now for, or they might just end up just throwing them in the river, just giving up on them.
We've got a hostile crowd.
It's got 11 people missing. There's a captain there in the pinkish top. He's trying to control the people on his boat. I think they've all been drinking.
Coppers, do something! I'm drowning!
Fire engine on the other side.
Although the practice did make for amusing viewing some of the time, it did have an important part to play in practicing for a full river rescue. It brought together police, fire, ambulance, river rescue, search and rescue, helicopter and drone, Surrey Fire and Rescue, and the RNLI. Another one over there. This man's drowning. He's very drunk.
Oi, don't trust them! I know. What? Come on! Help me! Come back when it starts.
Normal day at work.
He's not even trained! You don't even know what he's doing with that!
Rescue team's life was made difficult because the casualties were drunk. Therefore, they didn't trust the people that were trying to rescue them. It was amazing to see such a fabulous display of all the emergency services pulling together in this scenario. So it's the next day. We had fun and games watching the river rescue yesterday.
It was mad.
It was actually quite comical.
It was. Yeah.
I did say to a police lady, is this supposed to be for entertainment or is this supposed to be, serious? And she sort of went, don't know. She said, well, it is supposed to be serious to see how all the emergency services would come together. She goes, but there is a bit of mucking around.
Quite a bit. I mean, the drunkards were playing it very well.
One man was in the river saying, help, help, I'm drowning, and he was right near me. And I said to him, are you drowning? And he went, yeah. He goes, I'm quite drunk though. I was like, oh, okay. He went, could really do with a cup of tea.
Yeah. Would you like a hand getting out? No.
No.
All right.
And every time the rescue boat tried to rescue him, he just kept giving them abuse and wouldn't
swim away.
Yeah, wouldn't let them pull him out. So that was quite funny.
They did result to, if you don't get in the boat, we're going to harpoon you.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. Which I think that was off script a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not sure the whole thing was scripted at all.
No, didn't look like it.
No. We're coming down a different little cut today. So, what's this island called?
Yep.
Oh, okay. We're not too sure.
I know it.
I'll see
but
if I can look it up.
It's gone.
And it's got little floating homes all the way around the island, and we've seen the other side many times. But we're coming to a
Come this
different
way.
position right
It's
now.
a lovely bit of mooring over there.
It's
Look at
lovely.
that. We could back into that.
Yeah, we'll show you. So it absolutely chucked it down all last night and this morning, and we thought, oh no, we're gonna have to travel back in this, and it's like glorious sunshine now.
It's
There's I think a small window of opportunity. I think it's going to get bad again later. We've had a look at the Met Office weather, haven't we?
It's like a pond area now.
It's beautiful now. It's
and I've got the
absolutely
sun on
crazy.
my back and it's roasting. I
Yeah.
have to take my jumper off. It's
I've
just
got
weird.
my whole wet weather outfit at the ready.
Yeah.
But yeah, so far, fingers crossed, haven't needed it. And yesterday we were lucky enough to meet one of our viewers, John Ingham, and thank you so much. He gave us this. It's a night vision scope.
Sort of night vision.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's-
amazing. So travelling on the river, it's always really difficult to see the signs. Sometimes there's mooring signs, but from afar, even with my glasses on, I can't see them. This you can see literally for miles, and it's also got night vision too.
It's got like a bit of infrared or something.
Yeah. So thank you so much, John. That is amazing. It is
'cause
going to be used all the
I
time.
can't get on with binoculars. By
No.
the time you got one eye ready and done the other one, it's like
It's quite difficult.
yeah, I
isn't
never
it?
get on with them. I don't know. Perhaps it's my eyes, but that you just go bang and you're there.
It's
and It's so
amazing.
quick and easy, and
Yeah.
it's one-handed as well.
Exactly.
But it's, yeah. Thank you.
And also I want to say a big thank you and shout out to Elwyn, who bought us 3 coffees. Really generous of you. Thank you so much. So appreciated. Really, really kind. So we thought we're just about to have a Widebeam crash and catastrophe. We've gone down another little cut that we've never been down, and the big black Widebeam was sort of heading straight for us, but
In the middle of the river.
Richard's sort of going, is he going to change course? Is he going to change course? Is he going to change course? And just about did.
And the funny thing is, this side of the river is sort of one way around this island.
Yeah, oh well.
And those spots just ignore it, don't they? Oh well.
And we've just seen the biggest, I don't know what you would call it, barge maybe? It's got to be at least 100 foot. In fact, no, it's more than that. If you think our neighbour is 70 foot, it's got to be
Oh, it must be 100.
140 foot? Massive!
It's got to be, yeah, at least 120, I would say.
It was big. It's quite good coming down the different side and seeing some different boats. the lockkeeper there's lovely, isn't he? And he's got an Alsatian.
Yeah.
And I said to him, your dog's laying in a puddle. And he said, she wants me to kick it for her. So he kicks the water and she's like, oh, I'm trying to get the water. Absolutely loved it. So cute. And yeah, so now luckily so far the weather's held off. So
It's been really nice actually.
Yeah.
Been
We've
lucky.
been quite lucky. It's probably going to chuck it down the minute we get back to the marina.
As long as we're moored up.
Yeah, we don't mind.
We'll get wet going to the car.
We will, but oh well. Could be worse.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's us for this one. Fire and rescue and
It's been a nice weekend actually.
shenanigans on the river.
We've had a nice cruise, haven't we? Both
Yeah.
times.
Yeah.
How's the
Saw
weather?
Some crazy rowers in the pelting rain this morning.
Oh, yeah.
And fun runners. I
Did
mean,
not look fun. It
that's
was
not fun.
bucketing down.
It
They
was.
were running along it.
Yeah.
They didn't look like they were having fun.
No. So don't forget, if you want to subscribe, it's free. I think sometimes people don't realise that. So it's completely free.
Don't pay. Just
No.
click it. It helps us.
Yep.
Helps the channel.
If you liked this, give us a little thumbs up. And if you hit the notification bell, then YouTube will give you a reminder that our next video is coming out. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.